Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna-Lysa Gale and we're behind the scenes right now, not on TV and not scripted. So let's get right to what we're here for. Today we're going to be talking about my favorite at-home nail kits. I have tried about 6 of them so far since this started. I hope you all are hanging in there, by the way. But I just wanted to share some tips and what I learned on the things that worked for me and the things that didn't. So let's get right to it. All right, I'm gonna start with my least favorite and go to my most favorite. So my least favorite nail kit right now, unfortunately, is this one. This is the Bring the Salon Home Kiss set. This was supposed to be acrylic powder. Came with some fake nails at the bottom. It was supposed to be like a pink and white French mani kit. Now, I will say this acrylic liquid, the smell was so terrible that I could not, the next day I thought I was getting sick because of this thing. So no, not really a fan of this one. I would give it a 5. Next thing that I purchased was this, the Pro Strength gel nail polish remover pads. Now, they come in these cute little packets, which is nice, and it allows for you to take it out and just put it on your nail, but then you gotta wrap a foil paper over it because it doesn't really, it's not strong enough for the powder and the gel to come off on its own without being wrapped in there. So I would not recommend getting this. I actually got this, which is the pure acetone from just the beauty supply store, to get off some gel polish that I had on. So wouldn't recommend this. This would be about a 5 for me out of 10. Next one that I have is the Bring the Salon Home Kiss Salon Dip Color System. It says the latest trend in long-lasting, flawless manicures. And it says no UV light, no harsh odor, color lasts 2 weeks or more, easy to soak off. Now look, this thing lasted about a week. And although I thought it did a decent job at protecting my nails, and I did see a little bit of growth, it only comes with one color, and it's not quick and easy. There's so many steps with these things. There's so many steps with this, and I just wasn't really enjoying it. And it only, like I said, only comes with one color. So after about a week, I got bored. So I would give this about a 7 if you were patient enough to learn how to do this dip powder system. But I mean, look at this. Look at the instructions that comes with this thing. Hold on here. I can't even find the instructions. I don't know what I did with it, but it's a long list, and I got frustrated. I'm not patient enough. Next thing that I purchased, this was on the pricier side. I got this from Ulta Beauty. This is the Gel Polish Essential Starter Kit. It says with essential LED light that cures in 45 seconds. Now look, yeah, it may do that in 45 seconds, but it didn't work for me. I had to keep redrying them. Plus you can only fit about 4 fingers in here at a time. So you got drying the 4 fingers, and then you got to dry your thumb. So I would definitely recommend this, but pack your patience for sure. I think this would probably take an hour and a half to be well done. But on the top of my list of favorite things is this. This is the Bring the Salon Home Kiss Revolutionary Acrylic Nails, and the color that I got was this is the natural nails, and it came in a medium length. And apparently it says new on this. I got this from CVS. Most of these kits I got from CVS. So I think this is new, but anyways, I'm wearing it now, and as you can see, it's not terrible. It's not great, but it's not terrible. This is my favorite right now. I have tried press-ons before, and they just felt kind of flimsy. This has that acrylic feel to it, and I know there are a couple of other press-on sites that are trending right now. There's one that the ad is always popping up on my page. This one. So yeah, you know, there are plenty of press-on nail companies out here, but I definitely like the acrylic feel. That's what sold me. Plus, I feel like my nails are being protected. So yeah, those are the kits that worked and didn't work for me. And then, in terms of your toenails, you can try this. This is the foot spa with bubbles and heat. I've used it a few times. It definitely is not, you know, gonna get you what you would get in a salon. The chair massaging your back and, you know, having your feet massaged is just beautiful. But this will do if you're trying to do something by yourself. So yeah, try this. And I'll link everything on my website, annalysagale.com/blog. Also, you can check out the description box if you need more information. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video today, and I hope you'll join me behind the scenes again very soon. Bye.